Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I am Nicole from my Pandora Charmed Life. Today's video is going to be a quick review of the floating heart locket ring. Pandora just came out with this style of ring recently and I could not wait to get my hands on it, and so far I have been really impressed with it, but there are a few little quirks I think people should know about, so we'll talk through those as we take a closer look at the ring. Pandora came out with two of the locket rings. I picked the heart one with the CZs, and there's also a round one that has Pandora branding around the ring and no CZs. I absolutely loved the sparkle of the heart, and this is the one that I chose. So this is the one we'll be getting a closer look at. So the first thing that I do want to comment on is the size of this ring. So this finger, I usually wear a size 53 or a 54. Luckily I tried on the 54 in store and it was way too big. So I ordered a size 50 thinking I was going to wear it on my ring finger. And this is indeed a size 50, but if you could see the shape of this ring, like it's a little bit awkward. So it doesn't, at least for me, it doesn't fit like normal rings fit. So when I put it on my ring finger, I was like, this is not going to work because it is extremely too big. So I ended up wearing it on my middle finger, which is, it takes like a little bit to get over my my knuckle bone right here, but it's a perfect fit. The other thing to make note of is it does, I think because of the shape, mine does move around throughout the day. So I'll like notice it like going sideways, this way or that way, and I just kind of have to make minor adjustments throughout the day. But this is the overall fit. And you could fit one petite charm in here. I currently have Minnie Mouse. Another word of caution for this charm. So this charm has a tiny little notch right here that you just kind of open like any Pandora locket, and you could put the charm in and take it out. I did accidentally like hit my hand on something and this flew open and my little petite locket fell out. So luckily I was able to find it because it happened in my car and it was in my passenger seat. But I am now careful to make sure that this is closed completely all the way and that I'm not really hitting my hand, which if I'm being honest, because this is kind of a bigger ring, I did have a hard time like not like knocking it on things. So another word of caution is you get used to a ring like this. For the branding, what I really appreciated that Pandora did with this ring, and if I can't get a good focus here, we'll go ahead and insert a picture, is the Pandora branding is so subtle right here on the top of the ring. And I really appreciate that we still get Pandora branding, but it doesn't take away from, you know, the sparkling heart detail. So I really like what they did there. This is just like my personal preference. I do feel like having the heart shape does limit which charms you put in there. I do tend to prefer to not put heart-shaped rings in heart shapes because I feel like then it's double hearts, but I have before and I've done it, especially with my key lock ring, but that's just kind of a preference. But right now I have Minnie Mouse because I'm wearing Disney-inspired stuff with red, and I feel like it looks really good. We have a visitor.
I'm not a visitor.
You're not a visitor?
No, I'm just gonna go to work.
Oh, you're going to work? Where do you work at?
I don't want to tell you.
Oh, okay.
I'm just giving you my face because Hello Kitty can't sit through my work door, so I don't take her to work.
Oh, so am I babysitting or what?
You're babysitting.
How many of your babies am I babysitting?
3.
I'm babysitting 3? Big Bird, Unicorn, and who else? Oh, and Hello Kitty?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And I need 2.
We're babysitting. Well, apparently my babysitting duties are starting. So that is my take on the heart locket ring. I do love it. I am going to be a little bit more careful as I wear it. But I do want to know your thoughts on what you think of these locket rings. Did you get one? If you did you pick the round one or the heart-shaped one? Or are you like, nope, not doing it this time, not for me? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave me a comment below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.